Right, so for this video, I've come to New Haven, Missouri to record this siren. Federal Signal Model 7. It's painted red. It's a little bit shaded and sun. So this top is, you can't really see, it looks orange, I guess. But it is red. The paint is a little worn, but I'm hoping I can get a good video. And also, I've seen a lot of channels. Alright, so I've seen a lot of channels that have, well, not a lot of channels, but I've seen one channel that asks why I always ask why the person who runs the channel always has a success in their videos. Well, he said, I think that was a good way to put it, that it was because he doesn't show his failures. And whoops. Yeah, I got some uneven ground here, sorry. But he doesn't show his failures because they're failures. But I'd just like to make it known that my last 2 attempts at a siren recording have failed. One of them before I moved to Missouri, and one of them after I moved to Missouri. Well, let's see. We're gonna wait a little bit because there's a 1-hour segment that the siren test is on. So I'm not sure when the siren sounding part of the test is going to happen. So I'll pause it for a second and unpause it when the test starts. Alright, so it's now 12 o'clock and this is when the test starts, so I guess it's not really, it hasn't gone off yet, so I guess we'll just have to keep recording it because I don't want to miss it. Also, remember, my tripod is on unstable ground, so it might fall, but I hope not. Well, that was interesting. Just saw a couple of ammonium or whatever it's called. Oh, here's 2 more. Ammonia. I had something ammonia. Interesting. I hope no one asks what I'm doing. I'll have to investigate that because I think I just heard a really rare siren. Can't remember what it was called, but the diaphone, that one. Yeah, it's probably going to take a while. I'll just have to record for 1 hour and then see if I can figure out a way to patch this together. Ooh. Remember, there might be multiple siren tests. I'm going to have to go investigate that diaphone. I'm going to have to investigate. Whoops. Oh, well, these do take a long time to wind down. I've actually, whoops, tried to fall over again. I've actually been here before, a few times, because New Haven is the, never mind, I won't say that, but New Haven, a lot of people don't know about it because it's oops, I'm trying to. Alright, well, I guess that's the end. Alright, I guess you can go and like and subscribe, and I guess I'll see you in the next video.